Thanks for staying with us. Now, it's a cup, but not what we're accustomed to. You drink from it, and get this, you can eat the cup when the drink is done. Here's Deidre Thomas with the Business Review.
Hold my cup. Forget about everything you know about disposable cups. This one, you drink from it, and then you can take a bite. It's Cupfee, an edible wafer cookie molded and baked in the shape of a cup. Coming all the way from Bulgaria, Devon Morris is the sole distributor in Jamaica.
I am an avid football watcher, so my club, they had serving them in the stands to the fans. So I thought it was a cool idea, so I did some research on it, and I read the article, and I did some research on the company as well, and then I read the mission statement, and I've been in contact with them from around 2022 when I was still at UE.
According to Morris, the cups will hold their contents and remain crispy for 40 minutes and are leak-proof for up to 12 hours, making them a suitable alternative to traditional disposable cups, and they can hold both hot and cold beverages.
It's like a cookie, like a biscuit. So the cup, essentially, it doesn't change, it doesn't alter the beverage that you put into it. So essentially, it takes the flavor of whatever you have. So if you're having ice cream, it takes the flavor of the ice cream. So what better way of having sustainability when you can have it as a snack as well?
With an initial investment of 600,000 Jamaican dollars, and as Jamaicans nibble on the eco-friendly solution, the young entrepreneur says it's been a hit since it came to the island.
It's very crunchy, and you can feel that it's sturdy enough to hold the liquid in it. And it actually tastes like something one would probably eat by itself. Don't judge me, but it's good.
Currently, the staff complement is 3 and the orders have been stacking up. Mr. Morris says the cups are being munched on all across Jamaica, with over 9,000 sold to date. But he had to contend with some cracks and crumbling along the way.
I never really have 100% of the time in the business. I have to find a balance. So I'll be at school, and then after I leave school in the nights, then I have to go to events, where I have to study, but I still have to be out there on weekends doing promotions, samplings and stuff like that. So that is really a challenge, finding the balance. And as I said, we're a very small team with just 3 of us. So, 3 of us can cover all 14 parishes at once.
Cupfee, which comes in 2 sizes, can now be found in at least 10 supermarkets across the island. And Mr. Morris says he's partnered with other key players in the industry to get this novel product into the hands of more Jamaicans. Now, he's looking to have the bite-sized cookie distributed in all 14 parishes, all while helping to tackle waste, replacing it with a treat you can enjoy until the last bite.